Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. How's your life today? Okay, my friends. At this opportunity, I will give you the how to cook Indomie instant noodle geprek flavor. Okay. Here I was prepare my electric pan, instant noodle, water, the sausage, and some chips, scissors, plate, spoon, and fork. I don't bring my chopstick because I don't know how to use it. Okay, for the first step, you must boil your water. Okay, open this water, put in pan, electric pan. Switch it on. Okay, then you can open the noodle and take the seasoning out. And you can put the noodle in the pan. I was wash my hand, so my hand was clean. Okay, let's wait to the noodle, the electric pan to cook it. We can open the seasoning one by one by the scissors. Instant noodle is a favorite food from us because we are students who live in boarding house, right? Because sometimes we have no money and this noodle is not expensive, so whenever we can buy it. You feel me?
Yeah.
Okay, and then now we can wait. How long? Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Because it's different with samyang noodle as kentas, because samyang is more a little bit big from this. You feel me? Whoever that live in boarding house or cost most like it. I think this electric pan cannot work better because my noodle isn't cooked. So I will use boarding school technique. Okay, I think enough because I don't have many time. So if the noodle was cooked, you can take it from the electric pan. You can dry it first and put it on your plate with seasoning. And then you can mix it. For the last touch, you can put the solid ingredients. And you can add chips. It's macaroni. And you can add the otak-otak. Brain. And the instant noodle ready to serve. You can Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah.